Okay, what I'm going to talk about today is where on earth has the website gone that goes with Google Maps. It suddenly disappeared. There's no link to put the website up anymore, and this is like super frustrating. I found this happen to me a couple of weeks ago when I went to set up a lawn mowing business for one of my guys. Been working on this for a couple of weeks, and I have found out a way to work around it, so I'll just show you how you can get your site running without actually having the link. So the first thing you do is you go to My Business. I guess you already know that, and because you've been there and you've tried the link. This is unverified. We're in the process of verifying this, so we'll have a look at the details. The first thing that you do is you go to your edit profile. And you may have noticed that when you got to your edit profile, you went down and you went to your website. And you see here, I've put a website up, but because it never had a link, it's actually got no link to edit the website either. Google's not playing nice right now. The way that you can actually get this link working and put up a Google business site without actually having the link. Okay, so what you do here is you right click, go to view frame source, not view page source. Now the reason you want to view the frame is because you're dealing with a pop-up, and then you go to the code here. Now do control find, and what you want to look for is data with a colon behind it. So we'll go here, and you see how you have 8 occurrences of this. It's usually the last one. So let's have a look. There it is there. You can tell that you're in the right place because you've got the hash written here, and you've got the data here. Now this here is your Google Maps listing number. So you want to copy it. And then what you want to do is you want to take this writing here, which is the Google My Business site, and then you put in that number. Right, copy, and then paste it into the browser. And voila, we're into the site, and now you can either edit the site or you can create a new site and get it running. I hope that helped.